What's up, everybody? We are back with another video. Today is Hot Wheels time. We got a premium diorama set, Jay Leno's Garage. And yeah, what can I say? It seems like this set is pretty unpopular, at least here in Germany, because I bought this set online for 17 euros, and that means they had to reduce the price dramatically. And you know that companies normally only do that when their stuff isn't selling very well. So let's talk about the possible reasons. Well, in my opinion, this is kind of a strange mix of models from a different time period. We get the re-release of Jay Leno's tank car, which in my opinion definitely isn't everybody's cup of tea. But we got one pretty interesting model. We get to that in a second. So let's take a look at our models inside. We get the Ford Shelby GT 350R, the 2017 Ford GT Jay Leno's tank car, and the only new casting. This is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz Blaues Wunder. If you are not familiar with a German, that means Blue Wonder. So let's put this set into the background, because I bought two sets and I already did an unboxing. And I would say we take a look at our first model, which is Jay Leno's tank car. Yeah, in my opinion, this is a kind of a controversial model because something very special. I don't know too much about it. This is kind of a custom hot rod with a tank engine. I got this thing at 1600 horsepower or something. So technically, definitely, this is kind of interesting. It's just not my cup of tea. So the model itself, pretty nice, but not my style. Comes with huge wheels in the back with no profile or no tread. Here on the front we get these small wheels with tread. Yeah, nothing more to say than just this is not my cup of tea. We also get this one here. This is the Ford Shelby, and by the way, we've seen this exact same model before. Next one is the Ford Shelby GT350R. This is also an older casting, so let's take a look at the base. This is from 2015. The livery itself is kind of nice. It's kind of a pearl white livery with these blue racing stripes, with these red details. We get some pretty nice details on the front, some nice 10 spokes in black, and details on the back. So it's definitely an okay premium model, but yeah, that's it in my opinion. And the third car is the 2017 Ford GT. This is also an older casting from also from 2015, in black with the red racing stripes. Yeah, personally, I don't really like it when they do these extremely huge wheels in the back, as you can see right here. I think it's a little bit too much, but that's just my opinion. We get some details here on the back. And by the way, we get a license plate that is, I got my glasses on, I think it's saying BK2LMNS. I'm not really sure what that means. I guess LMNS could stand for Le Mans or something, but the rest, I don't know. If you know it, write it in the comments down below. And with that said, let's park this guy also into the parking lot and let's talk about the real star of this set. The 1955 Mercedes-Benz Blaues Wunder. So as you can see, this is a racing transporter from the 1950s, and it's got a kind of interesting history. So this is one of a kind racing transporter that was built to transport the race cars from Mercedes very quickly through Europe, I guess, to repair them in the factory. And this thing is looking kind of weird. As you can see, we got the cab, and the front axle is sitting very far back. Very weird look. And I think this thing was quite fast for that time, maybe the fastest racing transporter for that time period. It had the engine of the famous Gullwing Mercedes 300 SL. And this is kind of an interesting model. Normally I'm not really into cars from that time period, but this thing is interesting. By the way, I really like the blue livery, really nice here on the side. This one saying Mercedes-Benz Rennabteilung, which is the racing department. I hope you can see it. It's not so easy. It's got some spare tires down here. Just looking very cool. This thing is kind of heavy. I put it on a scale, by the way. It weighs 85 grams, if you're interested in that. This plastic piece here on the back doesn't move. It's fixed. And so let's put the rotator to the side and let's take a look at all of these models. Let's bring them a little bit closer to the camera. Yeah, I mentioned it before. In my opinion, it's kind of a strange mix of models, because if you want to put one of these onto this racing transporter, you see doesn't look too good, because completely different time period, and this thing is by far too big. So yeah, in my opinion, kind of a strange decision to put these models together in that mix, but yeah, it is how it is. If you bought the models from the previous Leno premium set, then maybe you bought this guy here, which is the 300 SL in red. And by the way, I think in the video when Jay Leno is showing this thing here, by the way, the original of this racing truck got scrapped. So I mentioned it was one of a kind, and they did some replicas, and the one that Jay Leno owns is also a replica. And in the video when he's showing this racing truck, I think it comes with this Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in red. So I think this combination does look quite good. And yeah, normally at the end of the videos I pick a favorite, but yeah, in this case it's kind of obvious which one is my favorite. So yeah, it's definitely the racing transporter Blaues Wunder. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Yeah, I'm interested in your opinions. Write it in the comments down below. Maybe there are some other models that you like, but yeah, for me it's just this racing truck. And with that said, I say thank you for watching. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time.